In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit on BloFin. So to do this, first you have to go inside your trader. Currently, I am inside demo trading, but of course the same thing applies if you are using live trading. It's pretty much the same thing. And you want to go to this trade panel over here on the right. And then from here, you can of course select which type of order you want to place. You have limit, market, or of course some other ones. And then whichever one you pick, down here, you can select your amount. So for example, I'm going to do it like this, and you have TP/SL down here. So if you click on this, you can see you can then go ahead and type in the TP trigger price or the SL trigger price as well, which of course are the TP take profit and stop loss is SL over here. You can type them in and then just click on demo buy or demo sell, or of course if you're using live trading, you can just click on buy or sell and you are good to go. That's how to place a stop loss and take profit here on BloFin. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.